Forming an LLC can seem like a big leap for any business owner, and you might be wondering if it's really worth the time, expense, and effort. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of starting an LLC. Plus, we'll go over key indicators to help you decide if now is the right time for you to take this step. I'll also share tips on how to streamline the setup process and avoid common mistakes. Keep in mind, I'm not a lawyer or an accountant, so be sure to consult a professional for tailored advice. My goal here is to arm you with practical knowledge so you can protect your business and maximize its potential. Before we actually talk about whether an LLC is worth it, let's clarify what it actually is in the first place. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, a business structure that separates your personal assets from those of your company. This separation means that if your business faces lawsuits or debts, your personal finances are generally protected. An LLC can also offer flexible tax treatment, allowing you to choose how you want your business to be taxed in the first place. It's often considered simpler and more flexible than forming a corporation, yet it provides more protection than a sole proprietorship. Understanding these basics is crucial for making an informed decision about whether an LLC is the right fit. Each state has its own rules and fees, so be sure to check the specific requirements where you plan to form your LLC. One of the biggest advantages of an LLC is personal liability protection. If you operate as a sole proprietor or general partnership, your personal assets, such as your home, car, or savings, can be at risk if your business is sued or owes money. By contrast, an LLC treats your business as a separate legal entity, shielding your personal assets in almost any case. This peace of mind also allows you to take business risks without worrying about losing everything personally. It also lends credibility to your company, as customers and clients often see an LLC as being more established. However, maintaining this protection requires proper record keeping and following state guidelines. If you commingle personal and business finances or fail to keep up with regulations, the courts can pierce the corporate veil, putting your personal assets back on the line. Tax flexibility is another reason many entrepreneurs choose an LLC. By default, single-member LLCs are typically taxed like sole proprietorships, and multi-member LLCs like partnerships. But you can also elect to have your LLC taxed as an S corporation or a C corporation in certain circumstances. This can provide opportunities to reduce self-employment taxes or take advantage of corporate tax benefits. However, not every business would benefit from these elections, and it's crucial to consult with a tax professional to see what makes sense for your specific situation. Switching your tax status down the line is also possible, but it can be more complicated. Getting it right the first time can save you a lot of hassle and money in the long run. Despite its advantages, forming an LLC does come with costs. You'll have to pay filing fees to your state, which can range anywhere from $50 to several $100s, specifically depending on where you operate. There can also be annual or biennial fees to maintain your LLC, plus the cost of a registered agent service if you don't want your personal address on public record. Some states require additional paperwork too, like annual reports, and missing these deadlines can result in penalties or even administrative dissolution of your LLC. If you're on a tight budget or still in the hobby phase of your business, these costs might feel somewhat prohibitive. However, they're pretty much a fraction of what you would spend dealing with legal or financial trouble without liability protection. Weighing these fees against the risk is a critical part of deciding if an LLC is even worth it in the first place. For many small businesses, the paperwork and ongoing compliance requirements can be the biggest drawback of an LLC. While it's typically less complicated than running a full-fledged corporation, you still need to maintain accurate records, separate business and personal finances, and adhere to state regulations. If you fail to do so, you could lose your liability protection. On the upside, many online services handle the bulk of the formation process completely for you, simplifying tasks like filing articles of organization and appointing a registered agent. These services often provide user-friendly dashboards, deadlines, and reminders so you don't miss any key requirements. If you want to outsource these administrative duties, it could be well worth the cost if it frees you up to actually focus on your core business. Just make sure you choose a reputable service that offers transparent pricing and solid protection. Liability protection and tax benefits aren't the only reason to consider an LLC. Branding and professionalism will also play a role here. Adding LLC to your business name can make it appear more legitimate to clients, suppliers, and even partners. It signals that you're serious about your venture and have taken steps to actually protect it. Some vendors or wholesalers may even require you to have an LLC LLC or corporation before they'll even do business with you. This is especially common in certain industries where compliance or trust is super critical. Additionally, if you ever plan on selling your business or you want to bring on investors, having an LLC structure can simplify negotiations. All these factors can boost your credibility, which directly impacts how others actually perceive your business. On the flip side of things, there are situations where an LLC might not be worth the effort. If your business is still in the idea stage or generating little to no revenue, you might feel burdened by the filing fees and administrative duties. Some entrepreneurs prefer to test their business model as a sole proprietor first, then form an LLC once they've proven profitability. There's also the matter of personal asset levels. If you don't own a house or other valuable assets, you might be less concerned about personal liability. In that case, your immediate need for liability protection might not be as important. However, it's important to remember that your circumstances can of course change over time, and what's not a concern today could be a big problem down the line. A key question to ask yourself before you form your LLC is how confident are you in your business's long-term viability? If you have strong sales or solid contracts lined up, forming an LLC sooner rather than later could save you from headaches that you could be dealing with. It's often important to set up proper systems from the start to make sure that you're not dealing with a tangled mess of financial situations. And that includes setting up a proper bank account for your LLC or using a professional bookkeeping service. Speaking of which, if you want to get started with your own bank account for your business, I would definitely recommend checking out some of the bank accounts that we have down in the description. One of the best services that I personally use inside of my own business is Mercury. They're a great service where you can start your very own business bank account, and the best part is that you don't have to go to a physical branch location to start it. There's also amazing bookkeeping services like QuickBooks. I use this inside of my own business pretty much every single day. It keeps track of my revenue and expenses, and it saves me from the headaches that come during tax season. If you want to get started with QuickBooks, I would definitely recommend hitting that link down in the description. And conversely, if you're still experimenting with different business ideas, you may prefer waiting until you're certain that you want to commit to this model. Either way, having a roadmap for when and how to form an LLC can guide your decisions as your business actually grows. Keep in mind too that every state has its own rules around LLC formation. Some states like Delaware and Wyoming are known for being very business friendly, with lower fees and simplified requirements. Others might have higher fees or stricter rules, which could affect your decision. If you plan to operate in multiple states, consider where your main activities or customers are based to avoid unnecessary foreign qualification. Also, bear in mind that cheaper isn't always better. States with lower fees may have different legal climates, which could be less favorable for you if a dispute were to arise, which could be less favorable if you end up having a dispute. If you're not sure where to form your LLC, consulting a qualified attorney can also help with this. Speaking of which, if you want to get started for the cheapest price possible with your LLC, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description and getting started with Northwestern Agent. This is one of the easiest ways to form your LLC, and it's a service that I've used countless times for other businesses. They have an amazing framework, and just really quick, let me show you how to get started with them. Once you click that link down in the description, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. As you can see, we can literally start forming our LLC for only $39, which is a crazy good deal when you compare it to the other LLC formation services. All we have to do is hit the Get Started button, which will take us into their next page, where as you can see, they have a full list of everything that they'll help you with. They'll help you with their management, contact information, account information, business identity information, optional items, and then you're ready to go. The first thing they'll ask us about is order information. This is going to be what type of business we're planning on starting. For the sake of this video, we'll go with the LLC option here, and then we'll say where we would like to actually incorporate. We'll go ahead and say for the sake of this video that we're doing it in California. As you can see, they'll start giving us an order summary here, breaking down every single thing that they're going to be helping us with. The nice part about the service is that they give you access to their registered agent completely for free. There's also their processing fee, and then of course there's also the state filing fees, which can vary depending on the state that you're incorporating in. Once we've chosen all of this, we can even choose to have it expedited to get here as fast as possible, or we can just do the standard shipping, and then we'll hit the continue button. Once you hit the continue button, you'll then begin filling out your company details, like your business name, where they can send copies of lawsuits or legal notices, the business purpose, as well as other important information. From there, they'll walk you step by step in setting up your very own LLC and getting started with your business. If you guys have any questions about the service or want to use it for yourself, check out those links down in the description or comment your questions down in the comment section. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next one.